Hello everyone, today I'm gonna teach you 3 words in a single video. So the first word is ego. E-E-O. So meaning of ego is a person's sense of self importance. Yeah, so ego means a person's sense of self-importance. So next word is egoist. Egoist. The meaning of egoist is if a person always thinks about his or her welfare. A person who always thinks about his her welfare, or you can say who is very selfish. And the third word is EGOTIST. Egotist is a person who always talks about himself or herself. A person who always talks about himself or herself. Thank you.